In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send secure text and file transfer with Bitwarden Send. Bitwarden Send is a simple, encrypted way to share sensitive information without exposing it in email or chat. It creates a one-time or limited use link that you control, with options to hide content, limit views, and set automatic deletion so your data doesn't linger. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault in your browser. Once the vault loads, look for the Send section in the sidebar and open it. This is where all your secure sends live. Click New Send to create a fresh one. You'll be asked to choose what you want to share. Select text if you're sending written information like a note, code, or instructions. There's also a file option. Just remember, file sending is a premium feature, so use it if your plan includes it. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with text. Give your send a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Next, enter the text you want to share in the main content box. If the information is especially sensitive, enable Hide Text by default. This masks the content on the recipient's page until they choose to reveal it, which helps prevent accidental exposure on shared screens. Set a deletion date to control how long the send exists. You can customize the time frame so it automatically purges on your schedule. Then review who can view to confirm your access preference. After that, open additional options to fine-tune security. Limit views lets you cap how many times the link can be opened, which is great for one-and-done shares. Hide your email address from viewers keeps your personal details off the recipient page for extra privacy. Finally, add a private note if you want reminders or context for yourself. This note stays in your vault and isn't shown to recipients. When everything looks right, click Save. Bitwarden will generate a unique encrypted link for your send. Click Copy Link to place it on your clipboard. You can now share that link through your preferred channel. The recipient won't need a Bitwarden account to view text-based sends, and your settings, like hidden content, expiration, and view limits, will apply automatically. That's it. You've created a secure Bitwarden send with clear controls over visibility, lifetime, and privacy. Use descriptive names, set a sensible deletion date, and apply view limits for sensitive items. And if you want to share files securely, upgrade to a plan that includes file send and follow the same flow.